Hey everyone, I'm Elise. I'm the founder of SWANS Advocacy. SWANS is a practice that supports women against narcissistic spouses. Before I get into that, I wanted to introduce myself. So I am an attorney with an MBA, but I have spent the last 10 years pursuing my very first love and passion, which is rescuing animals. My husband Paul and I founded Hoof and Paw Horse Haven, which is a 501c3 nonprofit. And we take in neglected, injured, or aged horses, donkeys, and ponies and provide them with green pastures and friends to live out their final days with. Hoof and Paw is very near and dear to my heart, and it continues to run. We have about 12 rescues at the farm right now. And of course, various dogs and cats and other critters have found their way to us, and we try to help as many as we can. But I have also been missing a little bit of my legal background, so that brings us to today. When I was practicing law, I practiced various areas, but I did practice as a divorce attorney, and I did go through my own divorce, and I have a lot of experience personally with narcissists. So what I initially realized was that there's a significant disconnect between attorneys and their clients often. And that disconnect involves the clients not fully understanding the process and what is going on, the timing, how everything works in the court system, the sequence of events, what some of the pleadings and the orders mean. And that is at no fault to the attorney whatsoever. Most attorneys do their very best to pursue their clients' interests, but they have many clients, and for the individual client, it's a very difficult, traumatic, trying time in their life. And especially if you put a narcissistic spouse into the mix, it can be very scary and very paralyzing going through the process and trying to understand the right moves to make. And so I am not acting as your attorney, and I'm not acting as your therapist, but I am acting as your advocate. I think that so many clients, especially women dealing with narcissists, would significantly benefit from someone like myself who has the experience of both chairs, being an attorney and having gone through a divorce as well, to advocate and help empower you to achieve your best outcome and to figure out what your resources are, what options are available to you legally. What is the best strategy going forward? How do I communicate effectively and efficiently with my attorney? What do these different pleadings mean? Do you need support in person or via Zoom, on phone calls, on meetings, with figuring out what attorney to hire or going to court motions? If it's geographically permissible, I am here to do that with you. I think it's also profoundly important when dealing with a narcissist that you learn how to change the game of how you communicate with them. So I'm here to do that for you too. I can help you ghostwrite your texts and ghostwrite your emails. And so the way that you communicate starts cutting off the narcissist's supply to you. So that's why I founded SWANS Advocacy. I feel very, very passionately about helping women empower themselves, regain some control, and advocate for you with your attorney and with the team that you have involved, as well as provide you with any daily support that you might need. I am the person that you can reach out to if you just need to ask a question to, if you just need to try to understand what exactly you're dealing with, whether it's legally or with what your spouse is throwing at you. So I am here as your advocate. And at the end of the day, my goal is to help get you through this process with some knowledge, with some compassion, and with you feeling empowered at the end of the day. So I look forward to hearing from any and all of you. This is, like I said, a very near and dear passion to my heart, and I think there is a need. I've witnessed it myself, and I would love to hear from you. So please feel free to reach out, whether you need my services or not. And I should also note that my services can really come into play at any time, before you've hired the attorney, during the divorce process, or even post-divorce judgment. So I look forward to hearing from you, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks. Bye.